What's up guys? Welcome back to Out of Office TV. Let's be real, travel ain't getting any cheaper, and with 2025's hottest spots about to blow up, now's the time to lock in your plans. Whether you're chasing sun-soaked beaches, timeless European cool, or a wild mix of culture and nature, this lineup is where it's at. The secret's still kind of low-key, so get in before everyone and their cousin starts jacking up the prices. Forget Rio and Sao Paulo. João Pessoa is Brazil's chill cousin, who just happens to have killer beaches and epic sunrises. Known as the Sunrise City because it's the easternmost point of the Americas, this place is all about slow living, natural beauty, and enough charm to make you want to stay forever. Golden beaches lined with coconut palms, pastel-hued colonial vibes, and locals so friendly you'll feel like you've known them your whole life. Oh, and it's summer, pretty much all year, at a cozy 26 degrees Celsius, or 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Praia de Tambaba, famous for its crystal clear natural pools and stunning cliffs. Bonus, it's Brazil's first official nudist beach, so if you're feeling bold, now's your chance to embrace the freedom. Praia do Jacaré. Stick around for the sunset, there's a saxophonist playing Bolero by Ravel every evening as the sun dips. It's peak romantic vibes. Parque Solon de Lucena. This downtown park is Instagram gold, with its colourful gardens, swan boats, and perfect picnic spots. Grab some tapioca pancakes from a street vendor and chill. Centro Cultural, São Francisco. A Baroque masterpiece brimming with history and breathtaking murals. Perfect for history buffs, or anyone who loves old-world grandeur. Ponta dos Seixas. Get your geography geek on by visiting the easternmost point of the Americas. The views are surreal, and it's a great spot to snap some envy-inducing selfies. Public buses are the most affordable option for getting around Joao Pessoa, but they can be a bit slow. For faster travel, opt for ride-hailing apps like Uber, which are widely available and budget-friendly. Renting a bike is also a fun way to explore the city's coastal areas. Be sure to stick to popular beaches and neighbourhoods, especially after dark. Also, avoid bringing valuables to the beach. The ocean's tempting, but pickpockets are lurking. Plan your visit during Carnival, in February or March for a more laid-back celebration than Rio's, but with all the fun and music. Less stress, same samba, next stop. Imagine Venice without the hordes of tourists and sprinkle in some Austro-Hungarian vibes. That's Trieste. It's a blend of Italian romance and Habsburg-era swagger, served with a side of world-class coffee. If you're a caffeine junkie, welcome to your new favourite city. Grand piazzas, cute cafes, and Adriatic views that'll make you swoon. Trieste is for travellers who like their trips a little more sophisticated, but still laid back enough to wander aimlessly without a plan. Piazza Unità d'Italia. One of Europe's largest seafront squares, it's a dreamy mix of historic architecture and Adriatic views. Come at night when the square lights up, and enjoy a spritz at a nearby cafe. Castello di Miramare. This 19th century castle looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. Take a stroll through its lush gardens, or check out the ornate interiors that once housed Archduke Ferdinand Maximilian. Grotta Gigante. Think you've seen big caves? This one's on steroids. It's so massive that it holds the Guinness World Record as the world's largest tourist cave. Canal Grande. Stroll along the canal lined with cafes and boutique shops, or hop into a boat for a unique perspective. You'll feel like you've stepped into a Venetian postcard. Italy Coffee Factory Tour. Trieste's coffee culture is no joke, and Italy is the OG. Learn about the art of coffee making and sip your way to enlightenment. Carso Plateau. Venture just outside the city to hike, explore vineyards, and enjoy panoramic views of the coastline. Pack a picnic, it's serene and stunning. Trieste's public transport system is efficient, with buses and trams connecting key areas. For a more scenic ride, hop on the Opicina tram, which offers breathtaking views of the city. Renting a bike or simply walking through the compact city centre is a great way to soak up the atmosphere. Don't expect Venice-style gondolas or canals everywhere. Trieste has its own vibe. Also, avoid rushing through the city. It's all about leisurely exploration. Trieste is close to the Slovenian border, so make a day trip to the charming town of Piran. It's an easy win for gorgeous coastal views and fewer crowds. China, but make it tropical. Sanya, dubbed the Hawaii of the East, is all about luxe resorts, pristine beaches, and vibes for days. It's the perfect mix of paradise and culture, with enough chill spots to keep your vacation stress-free. Think turquoise waters, endless sunshine, and the kind of resorts that make you feel like royalty. Add a sprinkle of traditional Chinese culture and you've got a destination that's anything but basic. Yalong Bay. This beach is all about white sand, clear waters, and luxe resorts. Snorkeling, jet skiing, or simply sunbathing. It's paradise on earth. Nanshan Temple, a spiritual haven with a massive 108-metre tall Guanyin statue standing gracefully over the sea. The serene vibes are real, and the vegetarian food here is a must-try. Luhuitu Park. Hike up to this romantic park for panoramic views of Sanya. Legend has it, a young hunter once turned a deer into his lover here. True or not, the scenery is pure magic. Wujizhou Island. Known as a diver's paradise, this island is all about underwater adventures, coral reefs, vibrant fish and warm waters. Don't forget your GoPro. Sanya Duty-Free Mall. Treat yourself to designer goods minus the taxes. It's one of the biggest duty-free malls in the world, so you're bound to find something to splurge on. Daidonghai Beach. A slightly more laid-back option than Yalong Bay, with plenty of local seafood spots and bars along the shore. Taxis and ride-hailing apps like Didi are the easiest way to navigate Sanya. For shorter trips, renting an electric scooter can be a fun and affordable option. Public buses are available, but can be tricky if you don't speak Mandarin, so keep a translation app handy. Avoid peak holiday seasons like Chinese New Year, unless you're ready to navigate intense crowds. Also, while street food is tempting, stick to places with high turnover for the freshest eats. Book one of those swanky overwater villas. You'll wake up to ocean views and have your own slice of paradise. Totally worth it. From the breezy beaches of Joao Pessoa to the historic cool of Trieste and the tropical glam of Sanya, these spots are about to blow up. But you heard it here first. Get in while the prices are still chill and the crowds are manageable. Remember, life's too short for basic vacations, so make 2025 the year you level up your travel game. Bon voyage, Globetrotters, and we'll see you on the next one.